Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find like posts on Instagram. For this, first of all, you just have to open the Play Store or App Store depending on your device. Then in the search bar, search for this Instagram and just make sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram application. If there is any update, just make sure to update it and then open the Instagram application. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner and then tap on these three bars in the upper right corner and go for this settings, and in settings just tap on this help and then from here tap on this help center. Now tap on the search bar and search for this like post and you will see this second option, see recent photos and videos you've liked. So just tap on it and now you have to read this paragraph carefully, and after this go back and now tap on these three bars again and click on this your activity, and now tap on this third option interactions, and as you can see this option comments, likes, stickers, response, everything here. If you tap on likes you will see all posts you've liked recently. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.